I'm in civil engineering, but I prefer measuring flours and sugar, not for measuring buildings. Kung pwede lang i-bake ang napakaraming itlog sa test papers ko, ginawa ko na. Sun is the same as fallen in love. It's reassuring, just like sunshine after the rain.
Minamasdan kita. Alipay, talaga. Forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be.
To say that I was blown away would be an understatement. I was in a state of euphoria. I didn't want to consider it, but does he like Mitzi?
She needs me so, mas hindi niya inasahan to.
Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way.